Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn Tech with Asis, and today we are going to learn some aggregate function, average, count, max, min and sum. So most of the time we use these functions. So let's flip over to our SSMS and learn about this function. So I'll show you how we use it. So basically when you use average, suppose you want to find the average salary of your employee table. So just reach AVG and inside that your salary and just running. So this is our average salary. When you need to find the average, you can find by this formula. Okay. Then we have another function is called our count. So now you want to find the how many people in your how many person or how many rows in your employee table. So that you can do like this. Okay, and just so there are 12 employees. Okay, and then next function we have max. So suppose you want to find that who is getting or what is the maximum salary you are getting or people are getting, so that you can find like max and then salary and bracket close. Okay, so 75,000 the salary someone is getting, the maximum salary in employee table. Okay, then you have min. So we'll just copy the query and write it here. What is the minimum salary people is getting? Okay, so it is 18,000. Okay, so you can say that 18,000 is the minimum. Average salary people are getting like 33,600 and the maximum is 75,000. Okay, and suppose you want to see how much salary you are paying to everyone, so that you can use it sum. Okay, so total national salary you are paying to all the employees. Okay, so this is how we get all the average function. Most of the time we use count, max, min and sum. Sometimes we use average. So this is how we are using. Count we can use by like this also. So like we can put 1, it will give you the same result. 12, this is also possible, and we can use the similar one with sum. That is also we can see same result. Okay, so this is how we use the aggregate function, and next video I'll show you how to use group by. So thank you for watching, and keep watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel for learning SQL.